Like, guys, I'm so happy, super excited. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but guys, I'm really so happy. Like, there's nothing like you doing something, and at the end of the day, you'll be able to get the result of it. This is what I'm about to splash to you guys to tell you what I did, and I was able to earn. So if actually you want to end this and you want to end this, that means you're on the right platform. Yay, 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 yay. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of joining this channel, you're missing a lot, but you're welcome actually. Both my old subscribers and my new subscribers, you guys are absolutely welcome. Whereas I actually made a video to actually explain to you guys what my YouTube channel is all about. Yeah, which I actually did the video, and I promise you guys I'm going to make another video on what you have to do, how to aim, you understand. So always remember that what we do here on this platform is me trying a website or trying an app. Then at the end of the day, I will tell you this is what I was able to get, and for you to be able to do as you were able to. So what is this particular thing I came here to share with you guys? I want you to really listen attentively. You know, so many people actually think that you making money online is not legit, it's not fake, depending on the source you're actually getting it from. There's nothing like you working online and getting the right information from the right source. So you are actually on the right channel where you will get the right and legit websites or apps or platform where you can aim. So to actually further this video and actually explain to you more on how this particular app works, because it's an app. Yeah, you have to download the app. So let me just give you a few details on how this app works. So this app is just all about you watching a video. When you watch a video, you'll be able to earn from the video you are watching. You see, it's as simple as that. No, like, no stress, not you being there from morning till night or 247. No, it's just for you to do that, to watch a video, and you're done. Yes. So the second part of this particular app is, like, some people are really making use of this app, but they really don't understand what this app, like the real features on this app. So the second features on this app is that you can also refer. Yeah, there is a referral program, which is you can also refer people. When you refer people, you can also earn, and you earning is $300. No, what's $300 every month, depending on how many people you actually refer in a month. I didn't say for each person, so don't misquote me. Yeah. So the third part is, when you refer someone, depending on what he or she invested in, that is the percentage you are getting. You understand it? And the fifth part of this app is that you really have to do what? Watch those videos. When you invest on those things which you're asked to invest in, then you have to watch the videos in order to earn from that thing you have already bought. Because you can't just buy something and you won't work towards that thing to gain that particular product in return. You understand? It's just as if you, as a businesswoman or as a businessman, you just started a business. You bought goods. What you have to do is to tell people, this is the goods I bought. This is how it is. To be sure, this is how I've used this. I've used that one. This is how it's supposed to be. And if you buy, this is what you're supposed to. You selling it out, you're receiving your gain in return. This is how this app is. So with no further explanation and wasting your time. Just I really don't want this video to waste much of our time. So without much time, let's actually go or dive into the video. So in that video, I'm going to explain to you everything about the app, what you actually need to know about the app. Yeah, and I also show you my withdrawal, how I was able to withdraw, and my screenshot of withdrawal, like the alert I received when I withdraw. Like, it doesn't waste any fucking time. You understand? So let's dive into the video. Guys, this is the full interface of this platform, and this is how it's going to be if actually you were able to download the app. This is how what is going to show. You understand? After you must have registered. So I'm going to tell you what this app is all about. I'll be fast with it so that you can be able to download the app and start earning immediately. I'll put the link in the description below. So go there, click on the link. It will direct you to the website, then straight to your Play Store. Then you download it immediately and start your investing. You understand? So as you can see, I'm on watch. The reason why I post this particular video is for you to be able to hear what I have to say, so that the sound of the video won't be able to close mine or overshadow mine. You understand? So as you can see, you can see watch, you can see create, you can see aim, market, and profile. All these have each of their features on this particular platform. All of them have their own features. So when watch is where you come and watch videos, what people has already created, they will post it. This is where you watch. And aim, that is one. When you come to create, here is where you have to create a video. This is how it is. Then when you come to aim, here is where you can be able to see what you have actually invested in. This is where you'll be able to see it, what you've actually invested in. This is where there's at least you have to see it. The market, here is where you will buy. This is where you will buy the glasses. You are investing your money in this particular glass for you to be able to earn ×2 of your earnings. You understand? Then here will be your profile. This is my profile. All right, I've been I think, yes, I posted like 3 videos here. You can see it, my followers, likes, and so on and so forth, if actually you wish. So let's dive into the main reason why we came to this particular app. So if actually you want to start earning on this app, what you have to do after you have already clicked on the link on the description below and downloaded the app and do your registration, what you have to do is to come to this market. When you come to this market, you can see varieties of different kinds of glasses which you can be able to invest in. When you are investing on something, you don't have to be afraid of that particular thing you invest. You need to have that faith. You need to remove that fear in you that this actually will work for you, and it will work for you. You understand? So this is the exact thing you're investing on. When you check, you can see buy and get up to $33 when you buy the glass of 12.3 USDT. You understand? When you buy the glass of 12.3 USDT, then to buy, maybe you want to buy this particular one, you click on it. Look at what it shows. You have to click on this particular line, which is green line. It will direct you to a website where you can be able to buy this particular glass. And when you have already bought this particular glass, it will now show on your end. Then here is the mistake people make. This is the exact mistake people make whenever they now purchase this glass. What you have to do when you purchase this glass is for you to go to mix. When you go to mix, please and please don't click on lucky. You clicking on lucky shows say you be say that, for example, that you betting, it's under probability whether you get back your money or not. That's what that lucky does. Some might actually click on it and their investment will just finish that day. You understand? They won't even be able to get the times two of what they invested in. So my kindly advice for you is for you to click on miss or stability, depending on the one you want. Click on miss or stability. As you can see mine, I clicked on miss. You understand? That miss is good for me. I'm okay with that. So let's go back. When you do that, you've already activated your glass. Then what you now have to do now, is for you to now start clicking on watch. When you click on watch, a box will appear. When you click on watch, a box will appear. That box appearing, you have to click on it. When you click on it, it will show the amount of lay you have gotten. Then continue watching another video again. You understand it? This is what you have to do so that you can be able to earn on this platform. This is as simple as that. As you can see now, I'm having up to 10 here, which means I still have to watch some videos to be able to earn some lay. If you can look at my balance, you can see I'm having 0.01. Why? Because I've already withdrew. I've withdrew before. Yes, if you can see, you can see here that I've already made an investment of elementary, which is 6.18 USDT. Now I've done another one which is 30.8 USDT. Do you get it? So just know that this particular platform is as legit as you can see it. So what I will urge you to do is for you to go in now and start investing on this app right now. Now that it's still going, now that it's still working, now people are still withdrawing from it. To do it now. All right, do it now and thank me later. And when you are done downloading it and doing the necessary things which you have actually watched on this video, also come to the comment section and say you have downloaded it, that you have done it and it's really working for you. And whenever you withdraw, also come to this particular video and say that you have withdrawn, so that other people will see that you have already withdrawn from this particular platform. All right, so I will leave the link on the description below for you to be able to go and download on this app and start earning yours instantly. No time to waste at all. I'll still do a video on how I was able to withdraw on this platform, but that will be for another video, not on this, because I've already prolonged this video. You understand? Thank you everyone for actually watching till this time. Do well to like and subscribe. Thank you. If you're still with me on this video to this extent, I'll say thank you so much. Thank you everyone that has been listening to me. Even the places I made some grammar error and so on and so forth, I really appreciate you guys. And if really you like my videos and you like what I'm doing on this channel, I would like you to click on the subscribe button, put on the notification button. That's the most important thing, so that if I post a video, you'll be able to know. You understand? So the video, share the video. You can also like this video. And also, what else I want to say is, please, if you're done watching my video, I would like you to comment. Write something on the comment section. If you have any question, please ask me on the comment section. If there's something you want me to do a video on what I have done already, maybe you really don't understand the video, you just want to have a full tutorial on the video, please say it on the comment section. I will do as you said. I just want to carry my audience on. You understand? Let it not be only the one talking, demonstrating, saying so and so on and so forth. And and at the end of the day, my audience aren't responding to what I'm saying. So remember what I said. I even said it in my other video that I really want this our YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, to be an interactive uh, class where when you are done watching the video, you can also comment, say something on the comment section, ask your question, say something. You understand? Even if I make a mistake, just say it on the comment section. You understand? It will actually help me and also help you too. Thank you.